Today, I will be talking to you about a very interesting concept of how to keep the brain young and how to prevent brain damage by a brain stroke. I am Dr. Nasli Icchaporia, Director of Neurology at Sahyadri Hospital, Nagar Road, Pune. So, keeping the brain young is a very important thing for all of us. Because as we age, the brain also ages. But it doesn't mean that our brain function should decline. It has been found that over many decades, our brain function can improve right into the 70s and even into the 80s years of life. There is nothing like aging brain. If we keep the brain active, we do not retire. Or if we retire, we keep our brain active in other forms of activity. This is by far the most important thing. Secondly, by keeping good social contact with friends and relatives and having good family ties. Besides this, it's very important that we treat blood pressure, diabetes, and we strengthen our heart muscles by exercise and movement. Sitting for long duration, smoking are really bad things, and sitting is now the new smoking. So use of tobacco products and excessive use of alcohol also damages the brain. It's also important that we sleep well, because by producing good sleep, we improve the memory function of our brain. Exercise and continuation of exercise over decades is very important. It's no use doing it for a few days or a few weeks just to reduce weight. We have to do it on a daily basis for at least 150 minutes per week of moderately severe exercise. And this really helps the brain to function well and to improve over a period of time. It is like a jungle. The brain neurons are like a jungle. The more fertilizer that we give it, the more sunlight, the more water, the jungle grows denser and denser. And the tree can give more fruits and flowers over a period of time. Also, these factors can prevent brain stroke, because brain stroke can be a very devastating illness and it damages the brain permanently or semi-permanently, and only partial recovery can occur. So all these factors are very important to keep your brain young and to keep the brain healthy for many decades, right up to your 80s and 90s. We want people to enjoy long longevity, but also a good quality of life into their later years of life. Thank you.